Maintenance of your unit. Wood heaters provide cost-effective and clean heat for over 900,000 Australian households. Maintaining your wood heater will ensure your unit is not only safe, but efficient and clean burning. The Australian Home Heating Association recommends wood heaters should be serviced at least every 12 months. Having the unit serviced regularly will ensure the important aspects of your slow combustion wood heater are functioning correctly and safely. The flue could need to be cleaned. Cleaning the flue removes any creosote buildup, which is a natural byproduct of burning wood. Buildup can be worse if the wood being burnt has been green, wet, or simply not seasoned correctly. This buildup can result in a flue fire, which is extremely dangerous. It will also lower the overall performance of the unit, possibly creating excess and unnecessary smoke and inefficient burns. Inspecting the inside of the flue and the external exit cowl for obstructions such as bird nests is also important. Wood fire flues operate at extremely high temperatures, and ensuring there are no blockages or obstructions is vital for safe unit operation. Checking that the original installation has not been altered by wind damage or other natural events is also important. The exit cowl requires a minimum of 3 meters clearance to any obstructions. Make sure no overhanging trees or branches have grown into this clearance zone, as this can affect the correct operation of the flue system. Visually inspect the inside of the unit and check for any cracking or splitting of the firebox itself. Also, ensure the cast iron or firebrick lining is intact. Inspect the baffle plate and ensure it's intact and located in its correct position as per manufacturer's specifications. Operating the unit with a deteriorated or broken baffle will result in poor unit performance and can cause a fire risk because of increased flue temperatures. Check the door seal, door glass seal, and door latch. If either is no longer sealing correctly, you may need to adjust the latch or replace the affected rope seal. Ensure the glass is intact and free of cracks. Cracked glass leaks air into the firebox and can hamper the unit's performance and efficiency. If the unit is fitted with a fan, check to see that the fan blades are free of debris such as pet hair, cobwebs, or dust. This can be removed simply with a vacuum. Members of the Australian Home Heating Association can either carry out a service for you or recommend experienced service technicians to service your product and give advice on any issues you may have with your wood heater. Go to our website to find your local member.